Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the Galaxy S22 down. This prevents electrical shorts and keeps the SIM safe. Next, you'll locate the tray on the bottom left edge. Look for the tiny circular pinhole. Once found, take the SIM ejector or a straightened paperclip about 0.8 to 1.0 mm thick. Align it perpendicular to the hole. Press firmly but gently until you feel the tray pop out slightly. Make sure you have a flat, stable surface ready to catch the tray when it ejects. Once the tray has popped, pull it out with your fingertips. Grab the edge and slide it straight out to avoid bending. You're removing a nano SIM, so observe the cut corner orientation now. This tells you how it sits when reinserting. If a second SIM or a micro SD is present, remove them gently one at a time. Don't use metal tweezers or pliers because they can scratch contacts. Instead, use fingernails or a plastic tool. Keep parts on a soft cloth to prevent scratches or loss. To finish, place the SIM back into the tray with the cut corner matching the slot. This ensures correct contact alignment. Once seated, slide the tray back into the phone gently until it clicks and sits flush with the frame. Make sure it's fully sealed to preserve water resistance. If the phone doesn't recognize the SIM, power cycle the device, then check contacts. Lint can block contact, so remove SIM and wipe contacts with a dry microfiber cloth. If stuck, stop and seek a technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.